we're standing in front of the Ciesta, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Ray Cigar Factory. Don't know much about it other than it was purchased and refurbished last year by the J.C. Newman Cigar Company, and is now, you know, obviously, as you can see, the difference between this one and the last one we were at, windows and air conditioning units, and I mean, it's a fully functioning factory. China virus notwithstanding. I know it's Sunday, so I don't know who's here, who's not here, what kind of industry gets done here, doesn't get done here, but the building itself is restored, and it's pretty special, pretty cool. Did a good job. They have some sort of ordinances, statutory requirements for the restoration of all these buildings down here. They can't just come in, buy the property, bulldoze it, and build up whatever they want. They have to maintain the historical integrity of it, and from the looks of it, at least from the inside, outside, these people have done that and done it quite well. Coming over here, I noticed what I had thought would be the case. In amongst all these lower income homes, these old cigar homes are the same homes, only those that have been restored. I mean, there's BMWs outside some of these homes. They obviously, from the outside, you can tell they've been completely redone. In contrast to these homes, which are also old cigar homes, but haven't had anything done to them yet. So here we're coming on the back end of this thing, and we're not going to get to see a front view of this. I have a photograph of the home of Ciesta Ray Cigars sign, which I think is just really neat because it's old school original stuff. But I don't have enough room to stand back far enough to get a view of that sign from the other side. So we're just going to have to see it from the back in this video. The old clock tower is still intact. In classic form, it's off. The time is wrong. In fact, I don't think it's moved since... Oh no, it's got 2 different times on 2 different sides. That's cool. I like that. Who cares about time? The only important thing is it time for siesta? Siesta, fiesta, or eating testa. Anyway, so go around and see the front of this bad boy. It's a long, narrow building, originally built early 20th century. And this is a really cool building across the street here. It's called Tomas Alonso, 1929 annual. It's used for some sort of welfare program now. Back in the day, speaking of back in the day, this used to have a water tower on it. This building we're looking at now has a brick facade, but it's concrete block construction, so that's a new addition, probably since these people took over. But above it, and it's in the entrance and all throughout the back part of it, it's old school brick. So this is a brick facade, you can tell the difference. Not solid bricks, these are solid bricks. And all the way back to that building, all through the water tower. Now it's called the J.C. Newman Cigar Company. A lot of that wood's original, some of it's been replaced. And you can tell what hasn't been replaced. Fascinating stuff. Got the old shutters. And we'll come over and try not to get run over and get a side view. The Columbus Avenue side. And so you can see this home of Ciesta Ray Cigars a little bit, but you're not going to be able to see the whole thing because we just can't get back far enough. And there's the old clock tower. It's an amazing place. Amazing workmanship from that time. You'll never, unfortunately, apparently, again, because everything is about cost. See this sort of workmanship ever again. I mean, even our churches are basically converted Walmarts. I mean, some of the churches I've actually been to and attended are exactly that, and some of the others have just been constructed as more or less in that fashion, a warehouse type fashion, without any concern for architectural beauty or aesthetic beauty at all.